learn a new pattern of movement, your brain's kind of like, never done that before.
Yeah,
Wouldn't
literally.
know what to connect to do it, kind of thing, you know? Like,
it's crazy because, you know, like, I'm not to say something, it doesn't really come naturally, innit? It's just like, you got like force to move.
yeah, there.
What's that, scar tissue, innit?
Yeah, bristly to there.
This side always struggles on bench press. Compared to my other, it's like night and day.
This would be what I should be able to glide through. It's kind of having to pop over the bones or the other ligaments and stuff to try and get to achieve that movement. So it's just the restrictions, man.
The core and stuff.
Think of it as the only method we have as massage therapists what creates like negative.
Damn, that is tight. I feel it. It's crazy, like when you go to the same gym for so long and so much people see like the intensity you train at. I'll get like older people coming up to me saying, yo, like, your work rate's mad.
Yeah.
But then you don't realise, like, to someone that just goes gym, I was just watching because I thought he could do one because I've seen him in the gym and I tried to like teach him and he was so close. The only thing that was letting him down was his, I told him just practice the wrist movement and you'll be fine. It was mad, even like just helping someone a little bit. Sometimes it would just make your day.
100%.
Like usually when I come here,
Always struggle with the obliques, don't we? This is always kind of like the bit where it's
I swear to you, this is the bit that hurts me. That bit there is so tight. It's like,
fighting.
just the incline walk, even doing that, you're still training your core.
Yeah.
I never hold on to the bars, I just walk.
Yeah.
Because I want like the full strain and tension.
Okay, I'm gonna come in here. I'm gonna lift up that leg. Cool, back down. Cool, back down. Dangle this way. Doing well, doing well, doing well.
Probably will, because if all this stuff's mad tight and loose,
Stretch them out. Okay. How's that feel?
amazing.
You're like, no. That feels better.
The difference.
Yeah.
It's like my breathing capacity either gets better or it. You know, like sometimes I put on like, say like, I have this like Vaseline cocoa oil that's like shocked because I was like, shit. Like usually when I come here, I never ever get a rash.
Yeah.
Is that so strange? Anticipating something, man. Don't worry, man. I swear to you. In that food break, because otherwise, I need assistance.
Locking in the whole lap.
Thank you so much. Yeah.
Right. Hip flexors again.
Oh my god.
Do whatever then, whatever works best for you. Try just bringing in your knees like that.
Yeah.
See if that and it pulls into the obliques, and then you've got very dominant obliques.
Set that, and he was supersetting it with leg extensions. And then imagine like, I was just testing him, so I wanted to see what he would put the machine number at. Because obviously the wider you go, the better your range of motion is, isn't it? So I always do it wide, because I just feel like it just works so well for me. And then I'll do like a 10-minute like hold. I mean, not 10-minute, 10-second hold.
Yeah.
And then I made him do it, but then I checked to see what he put the seat, not the seat, but like the range of motion movement thing to.
Yeah.
And it was like very minimal. And I was like, bro, the idea of this, you want to be able to like jump into the machine, like slowly one leg after the other. So you can get like a full range of motion stretch.
This is it.
And it's crazy how much people do it the way he does it. The difference was actually insane when I did it. Yeah. Like training, there's like so many tips to it. Because you gotta understand, like, say like someone might just be like, I don't know, they might be like limited with their range, so that's why they're sticking to that. And you're doing the exact same thing as them, but you're fully functional, fit. Do you get what I mean?
Basically train like what flexibility rather than mobility there as well. It's like
literally.
limited range of motion that you can't use and it isn't functional. So now you're going to be strong in that tiny little percentage of movement.
Yeah.
Isn't helpful.
You know, I've always had pain there, you know.
In the adductors?
Yeah, like it's not bad pain, but you know, I used to always get a really tight groin.
Yeah.
Like when I was a bit younger, and then I realised it was because my adductors were so tight. And obviously it was like because I was a bit heavier. It's like it was doing so much work that I was just struggling.
Those two are very linked. Adductors, lower back, hip flexors too, so coming up again into here. Because again, if you imagine your abs attached to the top of the iliac, and then the adductors attached at the bottom, so just your pelvis tilts. So if you like again this, these are really tight. Your core then has to compensate to keep you up, and then your core is always engaged just to keep you up. Your lower back hurts.
The lower back was mad, man.
So
I'm telling you, like after a football match, when I was like 94 kg, I was heavy at the time. Like after a football match, my back would be in bits for like 2 days. It was so bad. And then once I like lost weight, I wasn't really getting any more back problems. But to be fair, I do a lot more range of like a lot of stretching in my lower back now.
that's good.
Your body tells you sometimes when you feel like you're a bit too heavy for a certain exercise. Football at this weight, mate, nah. Unless I'll constantly put you in pain. I need to lose weight. But it's crazy, like you'd think losing weight, you'd lose a lot of strength. I didn't, which I was shocked about, because I went from like 95 to like 82 or 81. Even the weights I'm lifting, like, is not far off what I used to lift. Like say before I could bench 140, now I do like 130 or 135. So it's only like a minimal difference. And it's a perfect after a jog thing. Because Sundays is like the days where I just feel shattered. Sundays and Fridays, to be fair. This Friday, just finished the like gym week, work week.
Yeah.
Fridays, I'm like a zombie, mate, I'm telling you.
Just stretch the other side and then I'll let you be. That was a...
Thank you so much, man. You are a lifesaver. Did I ever tell you I used to get feet pain?
Yeah, we went
because I was
front.
flat-footed, but now it's actually alright. I think this side's more tight though, like, you know.
Do you put cups on it?
Well, I'm not gonna lie, even when he was doing that, I felt like it was like.
Let's just do a stretch this time, and then we can maybe build up another time to the cups. You can see the muscles flare up, kind of thing. And that it didn't nearly as bad on that side, but here I can trace it.
Yeah, it starts from that where you literally just touched it. I reckon this one's gonna hurt, man.